Hello my dear students, welcome back to Kumar@Students Can Do. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve or how to find out mean for the given data. As you all know, another important and easy chapter is statistics. The total weightage for this chapter is 12 marks. They will ask you one 4 marks question and one 8 marks question. So in that 8 marks question, maybe we can expect they will give you some data and ask you to find out the mean. Okay. Don't forget to write the question number and mention whether it is A bit or B bit. Then write the class intervals first in the first column and frequencies Fi in the second column. The class intervals are 500 to 520, next 520 to 540, 540 to 560, 560 to 580, next one 580 to 600. In the second column you mention the frequencies. They are 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. Next you add all these frequencies, that is sigma Fi is equal to, if you add all these you will be getting 50. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay, next. What we have to find out next? So, instead of this confusion, simply write mean formula. Okay, in the down you write mean x bar is equal to, what is the formula? I am using step deviation method formula. Okay, A plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into h. A plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into h. Immediately after writing this formula, you have to explain the terms. Okay, for writing the formula and for expanding the terms, you will be getting 4 marks. So what is A here? Here my A is nothing but assumed mean. A is nothing but assumed mean. Next, what is Fi? Fi's are nothing but frequencies. Next, what is Ui? Ui is nothing but xi minus A by h. Okay, I know already A, but what is this xi? So, xi's are nothing but class marks. What are class marks? Class marks are nothing but mid values. Okay, so my next column is I have to find out xi's. Okay, next, what is h here? H is nothing but class size. Class size means nothing but upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit here is 520 minus lower limit is nothing but 500. So 520 minus 500 equal to 20. Okay. Next, I have to find out the class marks. From this class mark only I will be getting assumed mean. So how to find out the class marks? Class marks are nothing but mid values of the class intervals. So how to find out these mid values? Simply add lower limit and upper limit and divide by 2. Okay. If you know, it's okay, or else this is the formula to find the mid values. Adding lower limit and upper limit and dividing by 2. So if you add this, you will be getting 1020 by 2. And if you divide, you will be getting 510. Okay. So this is 510. If you know, you can directly write it 510. Or else this is the formula, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Next, we need not do for remaining. If you know the first mid value and if you know the class size, then simply add this class size to mid values. That is 20 plus 510, 530. 530 plus 20, 550. 550 plus 20, 570. 570 plus 20, 590. Okay. Likewise, now we got x size. Okay. Next, I have to find out my A. A is nothing but assumed mean. How to take this assumed mean? Calculate how many observations I have. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 observations they have given me. Take the middle number as or middle observation as A, assumed mean. Your wish you can take, but if you take the middle one, it will be easy for calculating. Okay, so always try to take the middle one. Okay, now I got my assumed mean and exercise also. So in the next step I have to find out my UI. See here I got Fi, sigma Fi, H, A, all these I got. So what is remaining? Fi, Ui. So first I have to find out these UIs. So my next column will be UI. No need to calculate UIs. Simply before this A, beside this A, write 0. Beside this assumed mean, simply write zeros. If the numbers are less than assumed mean, then go negative. -1, -2 like that. Here numbers are more than assumed mean, then simply write 1, 2. If there are more observations, go -1, -2, -3, -4 like that. Here if there are more observations, go 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay. So this is the easy way. No need to calculate and do all this sum. Xi, taking xi minus a, no need to do. Simply beside A, assumed mean keep 0 and upside go for negatives and downside go for positives if here number is more. If here less, keep -1. Okay, now I got UIs also. What is my next step? Fi into Ui. So now Fi, Ui. Fi's are here, Ui is here. Simply multiply this. 12 into minus means negative. 12 twos means 24. Here also plus into minus, minus. 14 into 1, 14. 0 into anything, 0. 1 into 6, 6. 10 into 2, 20. Next, simply add these terms. Then you will be getting sigma Fi Ui. Okay. Now what is this? These plus terms, 20 plus 6 means 26. Okay. These negative terms, minus 4 plus 4, 8, 2 plus 1 is 3. So negative terms are more. So my answer will be negative, minus. So 38 minus 26 is nothing but 12. See, I got all the required values. A I got, sigma Fi Ui I got, sigma Fi I got and H also I have. So in the next line, now you write, therefore mean x bar is equal to A is 550 plus sigma Fi means minus 12 by sigma Fi means 50 into H means 20. 0, 0 gets cancelled and this will be equal to 550 plus minus here minus 12 to 24 by 5. Okay, that will be equal to 550 plus into minus minus. Now do this division. 24 divided by 5. That means 5 fours 20. So 4, remaining is 4, but 0.40, 40 means 8. So 550 minus 4.8, that will be equal to 545.2. That is the required answer. Once you can check 550 minus 4.8. So here it will be 4. Here it will be 9, 10, 2, 5, 545.2, correct. Okay, this is our required mean. Follow this step, don't be confused. Okay, first write the class intervals, next write frequencies and add up all the frequencies. After that write the mean formula and expand each and every term. Then find H. Next column you go for exercise. This formula itself tells whatever columns are required. So we need assumed mean. Assumed mean comes from mid values. So you have to find out the mid values, that is xi's. After this you need ui. So ui's are very easy to calculate. After that you have to find out fi into ui. Next you have to add up all these and substitute all these values in this formula. Actually mean is very easy and the step deviation method very easy. Easily you can score 8 marks, but most of the students won't expand these terms. That's where they lose the marks. Don't forget to expand these terms. All the best. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.